What kind of content should you post as a kids yoga teacher? Firstly, it's not just about things that you're interested in. Now, if you are using your Instagram or Facebook account for your own interests, then post whatever you like. But if you are using it as a way to market and promote your classes and programs, then you have to be a little bit more strategic or mindful about what you are posting. Post for the person who you want to promote the classes to. So if you want to get the attention of parents and show them what your kids yoga classes are like, post things that are relevant to parents. Parents don't care about their child doing handstands or how flexible their child is. They care about, is their child confident? Do they have emotional regulation tools? Are you going to be able to help them with bedtime that's more positive and easier? Are you going to be able to prevent tantrums, meltdowns, and arguments at home? So post things that parents care about, that are relevant to parents. If you are promoting your classes to schools, again, show what you're doing in schools. Show images of your setup. Like, it doesn't even have to be images or videos of the children. Show what you set up and the benefits that the children gain from having yoga as part of their school day. Again, schools don't care about how flexible the 5-year-old children are or whether their 7-year-olds can do handstands. Schools care about learning readiness, the behavior support in the classroom, how it's going to impact the teacher well-being and health. So really looking at what schools care about and then posting about that. This is a kind of intentional content that gets the attention of the people that you're trying to get the attention of. So even if you're posting every day, if it's not relevant to schools or it's not relevant to parents, then they're not going to stop and look at what you're actually teaching.